Hi, I'm Lauren, a third grade teacher and a ClassDojo team member. Let's talk about adding parents and guardians to your classroom on ClassDojo. Connecting families is the key to taking advantage of everything ClassDojo has to offer. Once your families are on board, you can share magic classroom moments on a safe, private feed and easily communicate in a timely way with direct messages. Remember, ClassDojo offers automatic translation into more than 35 languages, so you don't have to worry about language barriers. Très bien! First, choose the class you're ready to connect families to. Once you're there, click on the blue Home Connections link toward the top of your screen. There, you'll see how many parents are already connected. Click the Get Invites bubble. There are 3 ways to connect families. The first is to download individual printouts. Select that option, then choose which language you want to use and the parents you'd like to connect. You can select all parents or just the ones who haven't connected yet. Click Download Printouts. This will generate a printable PDF for each student, complete with login instructions. Another option is to create a class invite link. Clicking Class Invite Link will generate a unique link just for your classroom. You can send the link in an email to families or post it on your class website. Families can click the link and select their child. You can approve their selection if they've picked the right student. Finally, you can invite families by simply typing in their email or phone number and clicking the blue Invite button. The families will receive an email or text message with a link that lets them connect to your classroom and their child. They'll also have the option to connect a second parent or guardian to keep them in the loop too. This is a great option if you've already sent out invitations, but you have some stragglers who haven't connected yet. And there you have it, 3 ways to connect families and build your classroom community. As more families connect, you'll see your home connections increase, hopefully to 100%.